Hi everybody, this video today is about two separate bikes that are sort of different, but they're both interesting and both fun. This is a 1964 Schwinn Traveler. It has a 2-speed Bendix kickback hub with the yellow band. So it has a coaster brake and it has no actual cables to brake or to shift, and the shifting is done by backpedaling. You backpedal once and it shifts, and then you backpedal again and it shifts into the other gear. So there's two different planetary gears. And so it's a little bit interesting to ride because as you step on the brake and pedal backwards, the next time you pedal forwards, you've inadvertently shifted into the other gear. So you have to sort of mentally keep track. It takes a little bit of practice to mentally keep track of what gear you're in, and you may have to double kick back to start in the lower gear. I actually put a different gear, a different front sprocket on this bike. It's called Lucky 7 sprocket, and it's smaller. So rather than a regular gear and a low gear, I re-geared this bike into a low gear and like a super low gear because it suits my needs riding around the city. This is a view of the other side of the bike and the smaller front sprocket, the Lucky 7 sprocket, that provides the reduced gearing. So 1964 Schwinn Traveler, Bendix 2-speed kickback hub with coaster brake. Totally cableless, very neat and clean. The next bike I want to tell you about today is my 2023 Zizzo Via. This is a folding bike, and I bought it because when I travel, I can fold it, put it into my car, and then ride bike trails outside of Chicago easily. This is a 7-speed bicycle with just 7 gears in the back, and it's fun because it's a fast bike, but you're riding 20-inch wheels, so when you're going 10, 15 miles an hour, it's like those wheels are going around really fast. It's like they're buzzing around, so it gives you the sense that you're going faster than you really are going. I'm going to give a demo now of how this bike folds. It's also pretty lightweight. It's a pretty lightweight bike. Normally I don't have as difficult of a time folding it. Thanks for watching.